How to change your profile picture on Etoro. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile picture on Etoro app in easy fast way. So first thing we do is we go to Etoro app. As you can see, this is the home page. Now if you want to change your profile picture, you have to choose those three lines here in the top corner, click on them, and then here is my profile picture. If you want to change it, just click on it like this, and then click here and click import, and you will be able to change it in easy fast way. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the end.